everyone. My name is Hanel Bravo from JIC 105 JG2 Group 5. Our topic for today is all about the unveiling our pre-colonial legacy insights from the Surigao treasure. So today we'll be exploring the fascinating Surigao treasure and what it reveals about our pre-colonial culture in the Philippines. I recently watched some intriguing videos on the Surigao treasure, which shed light on our sophisticated cultures before the 16th century colonization. These videos are part of the Gintong Pamana series, showcasing remarkable archaeological findings. So I recommend checking out the series yourself. Here are some of the video links that I post. So you can take a picture or scan to direct it to the link in YouTube. So now let's delve into the critical questions prompted by the discovery. So our process question, what does this archaeological gold suggest about our culture before the 16th century colonization? So in my personal analysis, the Surigao treasure, which occurred in the late 20th century or since its excavation in the early 2000s, or with ongoing research and discoveries since the 1990s, so that holds immense significance for Philippine archaeology and for us, the present generation of Filipinos. The discovery allows us to reconnect with our rich heritage, specifically the intricate gold artifacts that highlight the sophistication of our pre-colonial cultures. And next, our synthesis. So, through the lens of archaeology, the Surigao treasure serves as a tangible link to our past, providing invaluable insights into the economic, social, and religious practices of indigenous Filipino communities. The discovery underscores the depth of our heritage and the challenge of our misconceptions about the perceived barbarism of the pre-colonial societies. The significance of the Surigao treasure extends beyond archaeological interest, resonating deeply with the Filipino identity and inspiring a renewed appreciation for our cultural roots. It reminds us that our history is not confined to colonial narratives but encompasses millennia of diverse and thriving civilizations that deserve recognition and preservation. Next, take note that the Surigao treasure represents a vital chapter in our historical narrative, offering tangible connections to our pre-colonial past, enabling that these archaeological artifacts serves as crucial primary sources historians to piece together the intricate tapestry of ancient Filipino societies. By studying these artifacts, historians gain profound insights into the artistic, technological, and social achievements of our ancestors. This treasure trove not only enriches our understanding of pre-colonial cultures, but also underscores the resilience and ingenuity of Filipino civilizations before external influences. Thank you for joining us.